to a new video. Today it's raining. Stating the obvious. Love it. Join me on this journey today where we're gonna be, let's say, going through the day, organizing some stuff. I'm off work and we're gonna be heading to Tarifa today. Let's hope we find a good spot, a good parking spot, because around the area, if it's raining, then the soil gets muddy and you can get stuck. I hope we can get out of here. But yeah, first, welcome the day slowly and drink some coffee and we head off. Let's see if we get out of here. Friends, we have managed. Slowly we got out. And okay, let's head to the Baumarkt. We managed. Beautiful moving people, we're back. We managed everything. Got some supplies, more than I thought, and material to build. And okay, now we're going to be to Tarifa. That's where we're gonna be moving to, just so that we might need a bit of extra boost for the way. So I'll just put one of our good tanks here, and then we are sorted. And it's raining, not very pleasant. But we are not made of butter, eh? Wow, it's windy. I think the real thing is coming now. Amarayamo! Friends, we're making a break. Yeah, have a look over the city. We're over the mountains for sure, over the hills here. I guess no, they are mountains. And as you can see, it's really windy and stormy. But it's almost, you can see. Let's go and have a look. So back here, and in between of the break I thought, why not spend a bit more time up here? I wanted to anyways some things and organize myself, and I guess it's a nice view. I just wanted to give you a moment on how it is up here with the wind. It's really windy. basically every now and then there is like a gust of wind, like shaking helix up, like woo. But other than that, I think I wouldn't be able to sleep here, because yesterday night it started, but like in the morning with the wind, and it was like, oh, I slept like half an hour, then we woke up, go and sleep. Anyways, that's fine. But for the moment, I'm going to be taking the moment actually here, and then heading down there. Here we are back. I hope it's not that windy. A couple of days have passed since the last sequence, and as you saw, we are in Tarifa. I hope the sound is kind of okay because it's a bit windy. And yeah, I didn't park directly in the city. I parked outside a bit at the beach. Just walked inside now. Had a round in to the port, and got myself some coffee, some supplies in a way, and yeah, now walking back. I will show you the spot in a bit, and I hope the sound is okay. Okay, almost closing in. Just as a reference, the road is there, the beach is there, and behind there's a lot of buses parked and vans, and it's like a village. But there is also this spot in between, which is like a bit of a nature park. In general, all the bit in between the road and the how do you say, and the beach, it's a natural park. Great. I love it, and it's also nicely made, so not a lot of, let's say, people, animals can go inside. I'll show you the entrance and exit, but yeah, just wanted to show you what it is on the way. So these are like kind of the entrances and exits. Wire. Okay, here's no wire, but there is wire all around, and then you just go through the middle. I have no chance to film this process for you, but basically this is how you get out. Okay, let's go to Helix. Beautiful moving people, this is a chopped video
windy here. In the shots before, I tried to show you the spot at the beach. There is like this long beach here. Back there is like the parking space, but it's too windy, and yeah, the drone couldn't make it. And because I'm back in the city, there are no shots of the parking. Anyways, I think there are enough pictures and shots everywhere on the internet, so feel free to have a look. I'll write down here the name of the place there, and it's like a big village basically. Okay, and back. Beautiful moving people. This will be the end of this video, of this patched up video. Hope it wasn't that confusing, and you could have a small Einblick view overview how it is in Tarifa in a way. And this is for sure, if you're traveling with a car, with your donkey, with your bicycle, it's a really nice place to be. A lot of people with their mobiles are hanging around here, and the people of Tarifa are like super friendly. Goodie, that's it. I've done a bit of laundry and all this stuff, you know. Anyways, that has to be done. And leaving you. Thanks for tuning in until this moment. And yeah, basically catch you on the next one. Cheers!